How to clean and maintain your ice maker. First, plug in your ice maker, and the power indicator will flash green light. Take out the ice basket and pour some potable water into the water tank. If you want to clean the scale in the pipe, you can also add some white vinegar or professional ice maker cleaner. Then press the on/off button for 5 seconds. The add water and IC full flash alternately. It means that your ice maker has entered self-cleaning mode. The self-cleaning mode will take 30 minutes. After the self-cleaning mode is over, unplug your ice maker and drain all the wastewater by pulling out the drain cap under your machine. After draining, please insert the drain cap in place to avoid leakage in use.